Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Awesome ways to keep your home coronavirus-free. There is something deeply unsettling about stepping out of the home from work boredom of self-isolation into the tense, ambient panic of grocery shopping during a pandemic. The first thing you'll want to know is that cleaning and disinfecting are two very different things. The Centers for Disease Control recommends we all do a bit of both, even if nobody in your home is sick. First, cleaning is about removing contaminants from a surface. Second, disinfecting is about killing pathogens. And lastly, do both daily if anything or anyone has entered or exited your home. But how if you cannot find store-bought disinfectants? Store shelves are bare in a lot of places, especially in the cleaning section, but you still have plenty of options. Thankfully, the CDC has a recommended recipe for a homemade cleaning solution using household bleach. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. How to make homemade bleach disinfectant spray. 4 teaspoons household bleach. 1 quart water. Pour both into a 1 quart spray bottle, shake vigorously. Spray on the surface to disinfect, let sit for 10 minutes, wipe away with a wet cloth. Bleach is excessive in most cases. You should never ever mix bleach solution with any other cleaning chemical, and it's likely to damage or discolor sensitive surfaces. Use it as a last resort if you can't source or acquire any other kind of disinfectant. With bleach, remember to wear gloves, open your windows, ventilation is your friend, and be careful. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the 3 awesome natural disinfectant you might already have. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.